Hi, my name is Destiny and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to automate Facebook and send hundreds or even thousands of messages with just 6 lines of code in Python. So to get started, you need an IDE or code editor, and in my case, I'll be using the PyCharm code editor. You could use the Visual Studio Code or the Sublime Text, whatever you want to use. So let's just get started. First of all, you need to import a Python package which is known as Python AutoGUI, I think, PyAutoGUI. So let's just go on the web and look it up. So let's say PyAutoGUI. Okay, this is it over here. Then what you want to do is just copy out the pip install PyAutoGUI code over here. Just click on this button to copy it out. Then you want to open up your PyCharm code editor and you want to create a new project over here. So just create a new project and name it whatever you want to name it. In my case, let's name this automate Facebook and click on enter. So I want to create this on a new window. Okay, when this is created, you're all set to go ahead and do whatever you want to do. So first of all, let's just remove out all those default codes over here, and those are gone. So the next thing you want to do is install the PyAutoGUI that you copied from here. So let's make sure I copied that, then come back to my PyCharm code editor, and I want to open up the terminal. So when the terminal is opened up, what you want to do is paste the code you copied earlier into here and hit enter on your keyboard. So I already have this installed on my PC. I don't think it should install again, but in your case, you have to wait and install it, and I'd recommend you use an internet service to install it. If not, in some cases, it doesn't install if you don't have an internet connection. So as you can see, everything is satisfied over here, and let's just dive right into writing the code. So the first thing you want to do here is import the package you just installed by typing out install PyAutoGUI. And when this is done, that's pretty much all you need to do for installing it. The next thing you want to do is to make a while loop, and while true means that this is going to be an infinite while loop. It's not going to stop running. But if you want this to end, you might want to give a variable here, like let's say run is equal to true, like this. Then you can say something like while run. Then you could write any codes you want to write in here. Then you could still come back here and say something like elif run equal to false. So you don't need to understand all this. What I'm trying to do here is, in case you want this to stop, in case you don't want this to run infinitely, then you could just make an else statement that would say if a condition is not met, then go ahead and stop the while loop. But in my case, I want to make this an infinite loop. So let's just get rid of this, or you can still leave it if you want, but I just want to leave while like this, while true. So this is what I want, and let's just go ahead and write the first code here, which is pyAutoGUI.typewrite. So what pyAutoGUI.typewrite does is it actually enables you to put in the words that you want to send to whoever you want to send it to, or let's say the words that you want to spam someone with. So in my case, I'll be putting, let's just say anything, let's just say I miss you. So this is what I want to say in my own. Then the next thing you want to do is define a key that should be pressed in order to make this word over here get sent. So in my case is the enter key that I use to send messages on Facebook. So what you want to do is come over here and type out pyAutoGUI.press. So pyAutoGUI.press, then let's make a parenthesis and let's put in the enter key. So when this is done, this is pretty much all you need to write this code. As you can see, it's very easy and straightforward. So what you want to do is, when you execute this code, then you want to switch back immediately to where you want to send the message. So in my case, I already have this open up this way. I want to send the message. Just make sure you have wherever you want to send message, if it's WhatsApp or Instagram, wherever, just make sure that place is open up. So in my case, I'll be using this Facebook account over here. So what you want to do is, when I run this, I want to just switch back to this place immediately, and you could use the alternate tab on your keyboard to do that immediately. So let me come over here and let's run this. So as you can see, it's working now. It will send hundreds of messages in less than minutes, and even thousands if you could give it a few hours. And do you know what? This is infinite. It doesn't stop. And let's say you want to stop it. How do you do that? You could just come over here and break this code over here, and take note. As you can see, it's also printing out the words that it's typing in there for you. So what you want to do is break this code here if you don't want to send it any longer. So that's it. So the next thing I want to show you guys here is, let's say you don't want it to always keep typing out I miss you like this. You want it to actually look real. Like, let's say you wanted to send after 3 seconds, then take 3 seconds again, type it and send after 3 seconds. At least that looks more real. So what do? Let's just come over here and import sleep. Sorry, let's import time over here. So while time is imported, the next thing you want to do is come at the top of here like this, because I'm putting this at top here because I need 3 seconds before it actually starts typing. So let's say time.sleep, and in here you could input how many minutes or how many seconds you want it to take before it sends another one. In my case, I want it just be 3 seconds. So when this is done, what you want to do is run this code and get back here, and let's see how things work out to be. So as you can see, one has already gone, another one is gone already, another one is gone. So that's pretty much it. It's really looks very easy. With just 6 lines of code, you already have this running. So that was it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and learned something new, and if you did, do not forget to drop a like and also consider subscribing to stay updated with future videos. And I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye.